So we got sent over a dog crate from OtterOasis. We're going to get it opened up, spread out, put together, and then we'll check it out. Just the bedpan.
It goes in the bottom.
Yeah, it says that it's supposed to be portable, where you can fold it up and take it with you, but it comes with some fancy little screwdriver there. Phillips head screwdriver.
I think that's the top. Okay, so we need, there's 2 hinges.
Where do they go?
So they're gonna go on there.
Oh, on the top.
Yeah.
Is there like pre-drilled holes?
I don't know.
Yeah, there is. We got pre-drilled holes for the hinges. You know, a lot of this stuff, I think it's that says for 2 people to put it together. I don't think it's that you need 2 people physically. You need 2 people mentally. One of you say, that's wrong. Another one say, no, it's not. Another one say, yes, it is. And oh, yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Oh, there's holes back here. I bet this goes
Now
right.
you're gonna put it on here. It shows putting the hinges, turn it over.
Yeah, but the hinges need to be facing the other direction, don't they?
I don't know.
No? Oh, gotcha. Okay, the screws will go into this board right here, into the pre-drilled holes right there. Does the latch part go up on top, or the, probably does, probably goes like that. Not even close. I didn't think it would be.
It's gotta hit that hole, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Just tight, you gotta push down on this and pull up on that.
Yeah, but that'll still be okay.
Yep, yeah, it'll work.
This goes on this little door, spin it. See the
Oh,
holes?
yeah.
Push that handle in there.
So, we got that on there. Got your little bowl of food and a bowl of water. You unhinge this, and then you can flip it inside there, and then they can have their dog bowl inside there. Undo that. You can lift the lid. Might have to push down on this top and lift up a little to make that catch, but it will catch. So if they was outside the crate, you could have it facing out. Like that, right there. So to move it, you would flip this all the way back,
I guess.
lay it down.
And you pick that bottom thing up.
Lift that up, and then, oh, okay. Okay.
It's hanging on that tray underneath it.
And there you go. You can take it with you if you wanted to. It's not extremely heavy, but the average person will be able to move it around. Get to where you're going, just put it back out. And then drop the little inside metal tray back down. Everybody's looking at me like, right. He's done lost his mind, Mama.
You think you can get in there?
Yeah, I think so.
Shit.
And that's how you get a dog in there. And there you go, folks. She's not used to that. This would be new to them. So might have to do a little enticing to get them in there. But it would work great, especially if you was going somewhere else and traveling or whatever. There you have it. It went together easily and it does a good job. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.